Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 40 and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and first of all, let's try to change the mode to the video. So let's tap on the video. If it is highlighted in this bluish color, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. So the resolution is right here, as you can see. So in this panel at the top, on the second position, basically, we've got the FHD, which we had right now applied. Right now we've got the 4K. And that will be all, because as you can see, we've got only two different options. So basically it's up to you which option you'd like to use. Just tap on this option and you will be able to change it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.